guys, I'm gonna give you guys a good look at this. This is an Airsoft capa by BB Tac. And it's very nice. Why am I trying to rack the slide that way? Anyway, very nice. Shoot. You got an orange tip, as you can see right there. I know in a real firearm you're supposed to pull the slide release once you see the hammer back, but this is not real steel. This is Airsoft. You can sort of use this as a, I guess, like, keep your finger off the trigger, guys. You can also use that as a slide block. You can just hold it back right here. Slide lock is non-functional. It's supposed to be a safety, which worries me, because if I do this with the safety on, yeah, you can even pull the trigger and rack the slide. So yeah, guys, I think that's dangerous. Orange tip, since this is an Airsoft replica and this is the United States. Comes with a double stacked mag. Very nice. Foot ejection port. Mine's serial number is caliber 45. Well, that's 45 ACP since this is a high capa. Mine's P169, I think. Yeah, P169. Yeah, serrated trigger, pretty nice. You could almost, if this was a semi-auto, you could almost do the paintball marker trick. I can easily do the paintball marker trick, but anyway, easy to shoot. You can see it as a metal inner barrel, so yeah, pretty nice. There's one problem I have with it. You can see into the gun. I don't like that. I don't like that for some reason. Mag release is right there, just like a real high capa. It comes out easily, even when you don't do that. And you can do easier reloads. Guys, don't dry fire. I have 2 models. It comes with 2. So by BB Tac. So yeah. Don't forget iPro, guys. So yeah. So guys, we're gonna shoot. Hit the target. 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 I'll show you what I'm hitting. This tree. So yeah. Miss. I take wind into consideration. We're using white Elite Force View.